Capricorn leadership was founded on the principle that companies will grow as their leadership capacity grows. So that's where we start. And the way that I like to do that with every client is to work with the leadership team. So the CEO hires me to be an advisor and to coach the team. And so we get together and we start with execution. The best way to see how people are working together is to actually have them plan and focus on the business itself. It's great to do exercises and team building and other things outside of the office, but I think the strongest way to really see quickly what's going on in the business is to see how that leadership team operates together. And we do that in something I call execution planning. It's not strategic planning really, although there's some strategy, but it's really about executing on the next year's goals and the next quarter's goals. So that execution planning is critical, and I see how the team works and operates with the CEO. The next level is to add into that mix strategy. So starting to think about strategic choices framework. Where are we going to win? How are we going to win? What capabilities and systems do we need to do so that we can have a competitive advantage? That strategy piece is important, and we usually add that in after the execution engine is going. That strategic work I call strategic thinking, because it isn't just when I come in for a quarterly day or a monthly meeting. It's throughout the process with that leadership team and the CEO to be thinking about strategy. So execution planning, strategic thinking, that all connects with leadership development. The capacity of leadership in the organization is going to grow and improve with the CEO and his or her team, so that will grow the company. The last part then is to add through all of those things, execution planning, strategic thinking, and leadership development, is this idea around innovation. We need to be paranoid about the competitors. We need to win the game that we're playing, and so we have to innovate. And that doesn't just mean big breakthrough innovations. It means testing, experimenting, trying new things, and really figuring out how to innovate in whatever industry we're in, so we can become sort of competitive and have a special secret sauce. So that innovation sometimes usually involves some technology, and there's so many great tools out there today that I like to add that into the mix to really help take the companies to the next level on top of the strong execution planning and strategic thinking. So again, leadership growth is the key, and we do that through those key pillars or foundations.